Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom. Today in this session we will understand how to improve export sales. So export sales is a very important to increase the profit of the company and achieve the goals of the company. Okay, so there are some points which we need to considerations while research and entering in the international market for the export. Okay, so that will impact or influence the sales of export. Carefully evaluate the each of markets. Okay, so while penetration in the new market, and you have to evaluate market requirement and understand what what type of customer they are, what kind of the culture they are. You have to understand the international environment. Okay, you are considering entering into. Okay, so in which market you are going to enter, you have to evaluate carefully and try to understand the things. Okay, just like in India, as per religion based, there was some limitation to have a food like a vegetarian or non-vegetarians. So these things need to evaluate in international market. So this will help you to better sales export. Okay. Now start with easier market. Okay. So initially level, you have to understand that you are going to penetration the new market. So basically you have to understand that if you go to the like a country like a US and China and big countries, then it will be difficult to start with the easier market. With the small countries, there is no political and legals barriers will affect the business. Okay, it's just like in try to understand some countries to invite to investor to start the business for the employment and best services. Okay, so you have to understand that you have to start with the easier market. Okay, second, do research. Okay, you have to research regarding the product requirement. Okay, just like a product, what kind of product like by that country. First you need to research regarding any competitors are already existing in that particular countries. Okay, and you have to also understand that product which we are going to export, is any limitations or barriers aligned by the countries. So you have to research regarding these things. Okay, then after research, you will definitely understand and export the goods. Okay, so by the choosing this product, you can improve your export sales. Now, once you have done your desk research, okay, so all the things when complete, then you visit the country. Okay, okay, first you have to research from your desk, like a take a help of the agent, take a help of the you know there are some sites which can show you the requirement of the product. Okay, so such thing need to understand. Then after that, what research R&D is complete, then you can visit the country. Now point is checking your prices. Okay, so just like a you are now entering in the international market, so pricing is very important. How can you give the best prices to the customer? Okay, because that in international market the competitors are available. Okay, so as per competitors, you have to check your prices should be low than other, but the product efficiency should be good. Okay, so this prices strategy need to taken in such consideration that will improve the process. Like just you buy the goods from supplier, so first you sources the this raw material from the lower pricing, or we can say uh, best pricing, like choosing the best pricing methods, like which supplier is providing in low prices, then we place the order. Okay, so by using that strategy, that raw material sourcing in right way, right pricing, then it will impact the next further step, which involve which is going to we are going to start in new countries. Okay, so pricing thing need to understand and give the best prices to the customer that will compete your product to the other competitors. Okay, now timings means here that the seasonal ratio of the sales producting is also important. Like if you understand that soft drinks product, so here seasonal thing need to be keep in mind, that in which season the product should be start as we can say delivering our production level. This thing need to understand. Yes, sir. Just like we export the we are exporting the product which are the uh, time basis, weather basis. Okay, so we have to understand, like a coffee is the mostly people use in the cold time. Okay, we can say winter time. So the timing is very important. Which product will be used at which time, need to research on that. Okay, then start this next activities. So dear friends, we have tried to understand some points, key points, which can impact and improve the export sales. So guys, now we are going to end this session. Thank you for watching this session. Have a nice day.